If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To delete table indexes in Access, open the database table that contains the indexes to delete in Table Design View. Then click the Indexes button in the Show Hide button group on the Design tab of the Table Tools contextual tab in the ribbon to open the Indexes dialog box. In the Indexes dialog box, click the row selector at the left end of the index to delete to select it. Then just press the Delete button on your keyboard to delete the selected table index. You can close the Indexes dialog box by clicking the X button in its upper right corner. Finally, click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar to save the structural change to your table. If you forget and close the table without saving, Access will prompt you to save your changes at that time. You can just click Yes in the prompt that appears to save the changes at that time as well. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.